Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or allow guest accounts on your Android smartphone to make calls from the lock screen. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your smartphone home screen and then select the settings button. And then you want to scroll down and select the system tile. And then scroll down again, and you want to select the users button. Where it says allow guests to make phone calls, call history will be shared with the guest user. You can toggle that on. So just make sure that's toggled on, and that's pretty much all you have to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.